Hey YouTube, today I picked up a refurbished iPad mini 2 and it's Apple certified, so I'm going to do a quick unboxing here today. So this is what it looks like, just iPad mini, Apple logo, nothing, just a plain old white box. Basically everything is the same except that it's refurbished, and by refurbished that means a new outer casing, a new screen, and a new battery. So basically a brand new iPad. So let me just open up the iPad here. Alright. It's even plastic wrapped. And I got the 32 gig silver, the white and silver one, just the Wi-Fi only. So here it is. Alright. Looks pretty fancy, looks pretty clean to me. So here's the iPad itself. Nothing too special. It's got the extra microphone here. We'll go over that later. Let's just finish the contents in the box. So included in the box we have a power adapter. Not sure how many wattage it is. It's a 10 watt power adapter. So for that quick charging. And then here we just got our user manual and basic instructions and the Apple stickers. Basic how-to, warranty information, and then Apple stickers. So that's that. Put that aside. And then of course we got our lightning to USB cable, which is important and we need that. So we'll put that off to the side as well. Alright, now on to the iPad itself. Put that to the side. We take the plastic wrap off. Wow, this is really thin. Gorgeous. Very thin. We got our lightning port there. We got two speaker grills. And on this side we got our volume rockers and the mute switch. Then we got our power button up here, a microphone there, and then our we got a 3.5mm headphone jack. Let's see if I can get this to focus right. Okay. We got an Apple sticker there, iPad logo. We got our 5 megapixel camera, which shoots 1080p. And on the front, we got a 1.2 megapixel camera, which shoots 720p. And this iPad 2 has it's the Retina version. It's got a 7.9 inch screen, and it's got a 2048 by 1536 resolution, which clocks at 326 pixels per inch, which is very clear. And this has an A7 64-bit micro Apple chip, and then it also has the M7 motion processor, so Apple's latest technology. So let's go ahead and turn this bad boy on. Alright. It's a pretty fancy looking iPad. Everything looks brand new. I do not see any dents or scratches or anything anywhere. And this definitely, getting a refurbished product would definitely save you a lot of money, and I definitely recommend it. So let's go through the setup here, full setup. Swipe to unlock. I'm English, United States. I'll just enter my Wi-Fi information here. I'll blur this part out so you guys can't see my stuff. Join. And this screen is just gorgeous. Crystal clear, sharp, very precise. And it comes with 92% battery. That's surprising. That's a full battery. Okay. Guess my internet connection is not working right now, so I will enable location services. I will set up with a new iPad because this is my first iPad. Sign with my Apple ID. Okay, next. Terms and conditions, blah, blah, blah. Go ahead and read or accept it. Nobody reads it. It's going to take a few minutes to set up the Apple ID. All right. I will use iCloud. Find my iPad, I will use that. Let's see here. This is just iMessage and FaceTime. I'll link that to my only one email account. It's updating iCloud settings. Alright, now I gotta create a passcode. I won't add one for right now. I'll just leave it blank. We'll turn Siri on. I don't like to send statistics to Apple, so alright, get started. Pretty fancy. Let's see what software version it came on. It came on 8.1.3. Okay. So it's pretty snappy. Let me zoom in the camera, see if it'll focus. Nah, it probably won't focus that. But definitely in person, this is a crystal clear screen. Can't see a single pixel at all. Well, this was my iPad Mini 2 unboxing, a refurbished unboxing. If you enjoyed this video, please rate, comment, and subscribe, and send me messages for any new ideas. And thank you for watching. Bye.